Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. I don't know about you, but I happen to love having my initial on things. Monograms make me feel special and unique, and I just think it looks classy. So for me, this necklace with my initial on it is a beautiful statement piece that could be a great gift as well. This is the JSJOY initial necklace. It has my initial J on it, and it's a beautiful set. It actually came with both of these necklaces separately in one package. They're two separate necklaces, 14 karat gold, and it's just so beautiful. But I really think it would make a great gift as well. They have obviously every initial. My name is Jackie, so I have the J, but I just think it's such a sweet gift for whoever that special person is that you want to give a gift to, or if it's for yourself because you just love having your initial on something. I absolutely adore this necklace, and I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.